Hey, what's happening, guys? What's going on YouTube? Good morning, everybody. You guys have tuned into Rules for Rebels, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about a Shopify app that will allow you to pay out your affiliates in cryptocurrency. Basically, what this is, it's an affiliate program similar to something like Refersion, Lead Dino, Go Affiliate Pro, Affiliately, etc., etc., etc. Except instead of paying people out in cash or fiat, you're actually going to be able to pay them out in cryptocurrency. Now, this is a new app. Doesn't yet have any reviews, so, tread carefully, just a heads up there. Although I will say I did reach out to the developer of this app. They were very quick to respond to me. They wound up answering all of my questions, and it's still kind of in beta. I would wait until BNB becomes an available cryptocurrency, because at this time, you can only pay affiliates out with this app's native cryptocurrency, which is Eterlike. Eterlike is a coin that trades on the Binance Smart Chain on sites like PancakeSwap. You're not going to be able to find it on a site like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko as of yet. That doesn't mean that this app is bad, but just personally, I would wait for them to roll out BNB. And the developer did tell me that BNB is on the way. That's the next thing they're working on. And as we look through this app's website, you're going to see, it refers to BNB instead of Eterlike. So that actually is in the plans. Before we kind of dive into this app specifically, let's talk a little bit about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, I'm guessing most of you guys know what it is, but it's basically when you have an army of affiliates working for you. You use an affiliate lead tracking software, so something like Refersion, Lead Dino, Commission Junction, Go Affiliate Pro or Go Aff Pro, or Affiliately, and basically people bloggers, YouTubers, vloggers, and affiliates can put your links out there on the internet. If somebody clicks a link they put out there, there's a special tracking link that shows that it came from them. And then if that lead winds up converting into a sale, they'll wind up earning money. I'm sure most of you guys have either run an affiliate program or done some affiliate marketing. Why is affiliate marketing so great? Well, the cost of Facebook ads and Google ads or Google AdWords is going up. You're probably spending at least 75 cents on a click, if not more. Some of my clients who are in like the dental and oral surgery niche are paying upwards of $25, $30 for a single click. And that click may or may not wind up converting into a sale. You may wind up having to get 100 clicks to make one sale. If you're spending 75 cents a click, that's $75 to get one sale. Are you making $75 per sale to justify that cost? We've seen the cost of Facebook ads and Google ads going up. And even when you get into influencer marketing, the rates that people are wanting is crazy. I see relatively small influencers with 10, 15,000 followers who want $1,500, $3,000 for a sponsored Instagram post, sponsored video, and it's very, very unlikely that you're going to see an ROI on that. So one of the things I really like about affiliate marketing is it's incentive-based. You're not paying anything unless you're making money. If you're making a sale, you're giving away a percentage of that sale back to the affiliate, but they're putting a million links out there, and if they don't wind up making any sales for you, if they don't wind up making any sales within whatever your set cookie period is, 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, you don't owe them anything. So, affiliates have the opportunity. The sky's the limit in terms of their earnings, and it's great for you because you get this army of people out there working for you, and you're not paying per click. You're only paying if you actually get a sale. So that's why affiliate marketing is even more attractive today than it was years ago, because the cost of ads are continuing to go up. But this app is called Eterlike. Again, I just kind of stumbled on this one. I just searched cryptocurrency on the Shopify App Store. And I would encourage all of you guys to check out the Shopify App Store regularly. See if there's any interesting apps that come out. I know a lot of people fall into the trap of downloading like every freaking app on the site. Realize that when you download apps, you are kind of slowing down your site's performance. Obviously, some apps are worse than others. But, check out apps, experiment with new apps. But, also don't make the mistake of downloading a million apps just for the sake of downloading a million apps. Pay for sales, not for clicks. Don't pay for the traffic on your site. Reward people who share a link to your site and brought you a customer. Reward with crypto. Crypto is a modern, fast, and inexpensive way of delivering rewards to anyone, anywhere, in seconds. Easy and automatic. Focus on your business. Forget the administration. The app can automate sending rewards if you like. So not only will this app track the sales coming from your affiliates, but at the end of the month, they'll actually pay out. We actually have like a little bit of a screenshot here. This is kind of what like the back-end dashboard is going to look like. You can see links, sales, credit, rewards. what do you got here? So someone's owed $114.73. And like I said, Eterlike is the native cryptocurrency of this site. It trades on the Binance Smart Chain. It trades on sites like PancakeSwap. I don't know what the value of it is. I didn't even bother looking it up. I don't want to call this a shitcoin because, maybe someday it will be something. I kind of like that there's actually an active product. There's actually an app on the Shopify store for this coin. It seems to have some utility. If this site were to take off, maybe that coin could be worth something down the road. But here's the reality of it, right? Like, I don't mean to talk shit about the Eterlike token because I do kind of like the concept here. But if you're trying to attract affiliates, who's going to want some no-name coin that they can't even look up on CoinMarketCap? The reality is not a lot of affiliates are going to go for that. But I did talk to the developer. They are working on rolling out BNB. And if we hop on over to... we got the full description here. I'll link to the Shopify app page. Apparently this is really easy to set up. They talk about BNB coin is the native cryptocurrency of the Binance Smart Chain. It can be publicly traded on most exchanges. So they are working on rolling out BNB instead of the actual Eterlike token. This is actually the Eterlike website. Save marketing costs, pay for sales, not clicks. For Shopify stores, install our app. You only have a cost when you sell. Lower marketing costs. You only have costs when visitors to your website really buy your goods. Crypto referral. Reward people who bring paying visitors. Reward them instantly with cryptocurrency. Why crypto? Crypto can be sent anywhere within seconds. No personal info handled. No tax issues. Low fees. So this may be somewhat of a gray area, but just something to point out. We did a video recently titled Joe Biden is Coming for Your Side Hustle, where we talked about how affiliate programs, sites like Cash App, sites like PayPal, sites like Venmo are going to start 1099ing people who have a total of $600 passed through their account, not in one shot, but through the entire year. So if you are an affiliate marketer for 6 different affiliate programs and you earn over $600, you're going to have 6 different companies 1099ing you. Also, as a business, if you're running an affiliate program, this in theory means that you need to be collecting 1099s and name, social security number, etc. from all of your affiliates, either at the outset or once they earn over $600. This is obviously like a record-keeping headache for you. It's going to turn off some affiliates. Some affiliates aren't going to want to give out their social security number. So at least in theory, by paying out with crypto, at the very least, you're not subject to some intermediary or third party forcing you to take info from affiliates. So that's one thing that's kind of attractive about this, although you need to want to talk to your own accountant over how this actually needs to be handled. Offer a reward. Choose any link to your website and offer a reward for bringing a customer that buys from that link. People share your web. People add their own referral code to the link and share it. If that brings sales, the app knows it. Reward for sales. The app will send coins as a reward to the person who shared your link and brought you a customer. And they have a white paper on here. You can check them out on the Binance Smart Chain. I thought this was kind of an interesting app, kind of an interesting concept. The idea of affiliate programs paying out in crypto isn't exactly a new one. If you guys are looking for some affiliate programs that pay out in crypto, check out the the Ledger hardware wallet. Their affiliate program pays out in crypto. I believe the Trezor affiliate program, the Trezor Wallet's affiliate program pays out in crypto. And I just recently discovered a new affiliate program for a site called the Spore Store. The Spore Store sells mushroom spores and mushroom growing equipment. So they sell psilocybin spores or magic mushroom spores. A lot of people don't actually know this, but these are legal in pretty much every state with the exception of 2 or 3 states. They're allowed to be sold for study. You're just not supposed to grow them. But this site sells psilocybin mushroom spores. They also sell, medicinal mushroom spores, things like turkey tail, lion's mane, etc. And then they also sell growing equipment as well. So if you need jars or propagation materials, they sell those as well. Could be an interesting affiliate niche, as I don't think a lot of people out there are necessarily, there's a lot of people into mycology, but I don't think the affiliate space is full of like bloggers and affiliate marketers promoting stuff for mycology. So that could be a pretty interesting affiliate program, but I know they actually do pay their affiliates out in Bitcoin. So this isn't a new concept. As an affiliate, I'm always looking for affiliate programs that pay out in crypto. I know a lot of other people are as well, but in the past, you would have had to kind of set this up yourself or manually track all of this. With this app, Eterlike, this can, there's kind of a program to not only track the sales, but also even pay out affiliates without you having to manually go in and pay everybody out. Like I said, you might want to wait for this app to get some reviews. If any of you guys wind up using this app, I'd love to see what it looks like in practice. So feel free to come back to this video, drop a comment with a link to your website, and maybe some people watching this video can sign up as your affiliates and kind of test it out before they wind up going live with it on their site. I find this really interesting. I'm probably going to hold off until it gets a few reviews. I would love to see somebody who signed up for this so I could actually see it in action. And I think it'll be a lot more lucrative and a lot more interesting once they actually roll out BNB coin instead of paying out in their native coin Eterlike. But like I said, it doesn't have a ton of reviews, although I did reach out to the developer, very responsive, was quick to answer all my questions, and I'm definitely going to be keeping an eye on this app. So if you guys have any questions about this, feel free to drop them down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to this channel, click that subscribe button down below and ring the bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Later.